Hey everyone, welcome to Shoot On. We're out here in the shop today building an A4 variant of the AR-15. You might think, why are you building an old school rifle like that? Well, we do have some reasons, they're very specific reasons, and we're going to talk about those over on our main page at shooton.com in the near future. But and if you're not subscribed to our newsletter, go over to shooton.com, subscribe to the newsletter, and that way when we do upload new articles and we start talking about our reasonings behind going old school with the AR, you'll be notified. But anyway, that brought us to, we've talked about some of the solutions that Real Avid has developed for, the DIY gunsmither. And one of the things that we've been using ever since they came out with it, 2 or 3 years ago, I believe, is their AR-15 what is it called? AR-15 Armor's Master Kit. What's cool about this, it has every tool that you will need to build an AR from ground zero, from scratch, from the individual little components, every spring, detent, etc. They got a lot of solutions packed into this one kit. There's the vice block for the upper receiver for when you're putting on the barrel, a lower receiver vice block for that work. One of the things I like the best is this master vice block or bench block. As you can see, it's got accommodations for so many things on the upper receiver, lower receiver, even for cleaning purposes. It's got a bolt disassembly tool. So whenever we're shooting the AR, when we're done, part of the cleaning is always disassembling the bolt and getting it good and clean, and that is a little tool that is worth its weight right there. Anyway, just wanted to call out some of the things that are involved with this kit. They've got individual punch sets, wrench for the handguard if you're going old school like we are, torque wrench, a combination hammer, and armor's wrench for the barrel nut, and pretty much, again, everything that you need or will encounter for building an AR-15. Now, it is a little bit of an investment, but if you're going to do this for a hobby, do 2 or 3 guns, you might want to consider doing that, checking out this kit, because it does, again, give you every solution that you'll need to build a complete rifle, which is what we're going to go do right now. We got some components from Anderson Manufacturing. They just came out with an A4 series of rifles, so we decided, you know what, let's build one of those, but do it from scratch. Anyway, we're going to start on that, and again, go over to shooton.com, sign up for the newsletter so you'll be notified when we do publish that, and be sure to check out realavid.com. And not only do they have this master kit, but they've got a slew of other tools that will really help you in your DIY efforts if you're a firearm enthusiast. So go check them out.